Got a minute? Let's talk about carbon monoxide safety. Carbon monoxide is an odorless gas, sometimes called an invisible killer. It's released whenever fuel is burned, like when using cars, generators, stoves, grills, fireplaces, or even your furnace. When you breathe in carbon monoxide, it replaces oxygen in your blood. This can make you short of breath or cause headaches, dizziness, nausea, weakness, or even death. Appliances that are poorly installed or not properly maintained are common causes of carbon monoxide poisoning. You should never leave a vehicle running in a garage, and don't use generators or outdoor grills inside your home. Portable generators should only be used outside and at least 20 feet away from doors, windows, or vents. Protect your family by installing carbon monoxide alarms inside and outside every sleeping area and on every level of your home. Test those alarms every month and replace them every 10 years. If an alarm goes off, get outside and call 911. Stay outside until it's safe to go back in. For more information, visit the State Fire Marshal's website.